Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still very bullish on the monthly weekly time frame. I still think it's likely to either go up and make a running flat wave C or an expanding flat wave C. Either scenario is should lead to a pretty big uptrend on these higher time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as a possible wave 1. I'm still looking at this as possibly a WXY of 2, and I still think there's a pretty good likelihood on this weekly time frame it will continue to make those higher highs, higher lows for a big old wave 3. So keeping it down to the daily time frame, we definitely did have a break of structure near the market open this week. We had a nice clear break and hold above structure. We have a very significant gap in the euro dollar, and a lot of times the market does try to fill these gaps, so we may end up making a push down to fill the gap. But if that right there really is the break of structure, which it definitely did happen at the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this last push up, then that hopefully is the wave 1. This is hopefully a big old ABC of 2, and hopefully we are already in a wave 3. So, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, if this really is the beginning of a wave 3, then it should be a very strong, very impulsive move. Now, like I said, we do have a pretty big gap here, and maybe it will go down, fill it, maybe it won't. I'm not really the type of trader that pays that much attention to gaps, but most gaps do get filled within 3 trading days. So I wouldn't be surprised if it did pull back, make an ABC correction, maybe retest this structure before it actually did end up continuing the uptrend. Hopefully what we have here is an ABC, but I definitely do see that this is 1, 2, 3 waves down, which definitely makes me concerned that it could be an A, it could be a B, it could be a C, it could be an expanding ABC correction, and it possibly could, end the trend and turn back down. So definitely keep an eye out for breaks of structure to the downside. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, if we actually zoom out a little bit here, like I said, this is definitely 1, 2, 3 waves down right here, and this is definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Makes me kind of wonder if this is possibly an A, this is possibly a B, and this is possibly already a C. If it is a C, then it would likely go up to a Fibonacci retracement level, make a double top, make a break of structure, make that 3, 4, 5 say proving it's a wave C, and at that point it probably would be the continuation of the downtrend. But I'm hoping that this really is the end of a wave C. I'm hoping this really is the end of a wave 2 and that we really are in a wave 3. If it really is a wave 3, then this should be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, and it should probably bounce off some fib levels, but it will not break structure, and instead it will just continue to make higher highs, higher lows in a wave 3. So I'm definitely looking for longs now with this break of structure, and I'm going to learn and earn whether this really is a wave 3 or whether it possibly is an expanding flat for a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.